Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Have you ever wanted to have your bagged car drop all at the same time? Most of the time, you find the car drops in the rear first and then in the front. I'm here to show you guys how to air out your car level. All you guys need to get is some push to connect airflow valves. I showed them in one of the install videos, but now we're going to get them set up so that the car goes down all at once. So let's get to making the adjustments. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is what you want. You need these airflow control valves. So what they do is they limit on how much air and how fast it goes in and out. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust these so that it can compensate for the longer front air lines, and it should air out equally. So what I'm going to do is put a mark on the tip of each valve, and then I'm going to open it one full rotation. Maybe two. Let's see how that does. Okay, 2 full rotations. Now let's air the car out and hopefully it moves all at the same time. Okay, here we go. Test number 1. Nope, still goes too fast. So, okay, test number 2. I went back 1 turn. Not bad. I think I should go back half a turn more. Test number 3. I think that's limiting the airflow a little too much. Just like that, now we got the car coming down pretty much level. It's going to be a fine tweaking process, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can do it on your bagged car. This isn't specific to BMWs. This is just for the bagged air suspension vehicles, and any of you can do this as well. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Was that worth it? I think it looks much better going down at the same time, but honestly, just that sound is like music to my ears. I love listening to that, and I could listen to it over and over and over again. Hope you guys enjoyed that content. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.